If you are tired of missing out on those adrenaline-pumping moments, where every twist of the trail and turn of the road is a story waiting to be told, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of cycling cameras, uncovering the top picks for 2024 that will turn your biking escapades into epic tales worth reliving. Before we delve into our list, please note that our picks are in no exact order, so stay tuned till the end to discover the perfect action camera that meets your individual needs. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is the Insta360 GO 2, the tiny yet mighty action camera that's here to redefine the way you capture your biking adventures. Weighing in at just 1 ounce, this thumb-sized marvel packs a powerful punch with its 1 divided by 2.3-inch image sensor, delivering crisp 1440p video quality that will make your footage pop. And don't let its size fool you. The GO2 is rugged and waterproof up to 13 feet, making it the perfect companion for even the most extreme rides. What sets the Insta360 GO 2 apart is its versatile mounting options. Thanks to its magnetic in-the-box accessories, you can mount this camera anywhere and shoot hands-free, capturing every twist and turn of the trail with ease. Plus, with its multi-use charge case, which doubles as a charger, remote control, and tripod, you can extend your battery life for up to 150 minutes, ensuring that you never miss a moment of the action. Moving on to number 4 on our list, we have the AKASO EK7000 Pro 4K action camera, the upgrade you've been waiting for to take your cycling videos to the next level. With its stunning 4K, 30 frames per second video capability and 20MP photo resolution, this camera captures every moment with unparalleled clarity and detail. But what truly sets it apart is its intuitive UI design, featuring an Ultra 2-inch IPS touchscreen that makes changing settings and previewing footage a breeze. Equipped with built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS, the AKASO EK7000 Pro ensures that your videos are smooth and steady, even when you're tearing up the trails at top speed. And with its waterproof case, this camera can dive up to 131 feet, making it the ideal companion for all your aquatic adventures. Plus, with adjustable view angles, you can customize your shots to suit your style, whether you're going for a wide-angle panorama or a close-up action shot. Coming in at number 3 is the GoPro HERO11, the ultimate companion for adventurers who demand nothing but the best. With its revolutionary new image sensor, the HERO11 captures expansive views like never before, giving you the creative freedom to zoom in, crop, and adjust your shots without sacrificing quality. Sporting 5.3K video resolution, this camera delivers breathtaking footage with crisp detail and cinematic image quality that will leave you speechless. And with Emmy award-winning HyperSmooth stabilization, shaky footage is a thing of the past. Even the most intense action shots come out silky smooth, thanks to advanced stabilization algorithms. Next up, at number 2, we have the Garmin Varia RCT715, the cycling camera that's got your back, literally. With its built-in rear-facing camera, this innovative device lets you see and record what's behind you, automatically saving footage in case of an incident. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling rugged trails, the Varia RCT715 ensures that you're always aware of your surroundings, with rearview radar that detects vehicles approaching from up to 153 yards away. Plus, with up to 4 hours of battery life and 3 different recording modes to choose from, you can ride with confidence knowing that you're covered from every angle. And finally, taking the last spot on our list is the Insta360 R Twin Edition, the ultimate cycling camera that's as versatile as it is powerful. With its unique modular design, this camera transforms on the fly from a 360-degree shooter to a wide-angle 4K action cam, giving you unparalleled flexibility to capture every angle of your ride. Thanks to its flow-state stabilization technology, your footage stays clear and steady, even in low-light conditions, while its IPX8 waterproof rating means you can take it anywhere, rain or shine. And with AI editing capabilities, you can turn your raw footage into polished masterpieces in just minutes, leaving you more time to enjoy the ride. If you've enjoyed our countdown of the top biking cameras for 2024, then don't hesitate to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and give that notification bell a friendly tap so you never miss out on our future content. And for more information on any of the cameras featured in today's video, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Until next time, keep the wheels turning and the adventure soaring.